Hello and welcome to this CoffeeCup Visual Site Designer tutorial. On this one we are going to be going over buttons and shapes. Now I did go over how to make a button on 6A, but perhaps I went a little too quickly. So we're going to just kind of refresh on that a little bit. As you can see, I've got my page up, and in order to, let's start off with a shape. And you come over here to your left toolbar, the third one down where it says add a shape. Click on it. Okay, and then we have our little thing here to choose, and I'm going to choose a star for this time. Now with the star, I have found it is a little difficult to manipulate the size of it. So once you put it over here and you on your website, on your page, you want to hold your left mouse down to get it where you want it. Otherwise, the star especially seems to be very difficult to work with the sizing. So anyway, so you come down and like I say, you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want, but get it where you want it as long and still hold down your left mouse button. Once you get it where you want it or on size, you can let go. And then of course you can certainly then you can just move it around wherever you want to. But okay, so I don't want a turquoise star. So I come up here to fill and click that. And as you can see, I'll get this over here, it is indeed turquoise. So I don't want turquoise, so I'm going to click on that and I'm going to come over here and choose a different color. And that's all there is to that. Okay, so then if I am done with that after I've put this shape on my website, on my page, then I can always come over here and save it. And then you can upload it to your website, up to your server. So that's good at that point. So I know it doesn't really say anything, but once you do that, you're done with the shape. Okay, and now if you want to add a actual button, I'm going to leave that one, the star alone, and I'm going to do a different shape this time. I'm going to come over here and select a shape, and this time I'm going to select the diamond. Now the diamond is much easier to manipulate as far as your size. So like I say, you can make it wider, you can make it thinner, you can you can lengthen it however you want to get it to where you want it. Now I don't really, okay, well first of all we're going to come over here to the buttonize button and we're going to click that, and I'll get this over here where you can see it, and I'm going to put my cursor in where it says button text right here, and on that it's going to be for our photo gallery this time. Okay, so now I want to create a link for this button. So I come right underneath here, it says create a link. Click on that. We make sure there's a check mark in create link, and we're going to come down here and we're going to put our page in there, and there we go. And once that's in there, it's good, so we can X out of that. Now I don't really care to have a turquoise button. I want something that's a little more eye-catching. So what I want to do is come over here, right next to the buttonize, there's a button that says styles. So we're going to click on that, and then up pops a a table with different buttons on it that we can make our selection from. There it looks like kind of like wood maybe. Since this is kind of on a yellow type, I don't know, I kind of like that myself. Or you can go leopard spot, you know. I'll go with leopard spot. And so then once that's done, you can just X out of this and X out of that. And then you can Of course, you save it to your website and then you can publish it. So I hope this helps and I thank you for watching.